training for the past couple of days. Eddie Wilson. This is awesome, right? Understanding, even if you're an operator or if you're just the high level strategic thinker, you still need to partner up with someone who will fulfill that gap, right? So, what we are believing in GPS is we can democratize the implementation of AI. And the way that we do it is, give me 1 second. I'm pulling out of parking here from LA Fitness. All right, I think we are good. So, what we are believing in is the small and medium enterprises, medium scale enterprises. They have these fractional COO, CMO, CTO, CIO, and all these folks, right? The idea behind AI officers is it's gaining momentum right now. It's gaining traction, where fractional CAIOs are being popped up in the marketplace. Now, having said that, what I wanted to talk about is: are you thinking about systems? Forget about AI. Forget about all these fancy AI automation agents. All these words. End of the day, there is a gap in your business. There will always be a gap. Now, how do you process map that gap? And then how do you systemize it, right? What is the game plan? What are the systems that you're thinking of implementing? That's the whole point. Now, if you're in business, if you're thinking of starting a business, think GPS, right? Your business is nothing but a bunch of systems under one umbrella. That's it, right? Shared services. If you think about it, you're so big, you're an investor, you're a private equity firm. There are a bunch of services that you're going to use in every business. Instead of paying for the services as individual businesses, now you will use them as shared services, right? So my background is in technology. I've been a I've been in technology for over 14 years, and I've been a leader. I've been an architect. Now my mission is to help at least 10,000 businesses AI-fi in the next by the end of 2027. I initially had the mission for 2027, January 18th, but it is highly unlikely until I partner up with hundreds of you, right? I need your help. Let's AI-fi at least 10,000 businesses in the next couple of years. Now, the way that we are going to do it is my job is to geek out on all the systems and bring you the best of the best. AI is rapidly changing. It's kind of like uh, how they say best invention after the loaf of bread. But that loaf of bread is being invented every three months now, not 3 years, but 3 months. That's how rapid the evolution of AI is happening. The idea is in your business, if you need to implement AI, let's team up together. Every system that we are building, every day we are meeting at 12 o'clock, like a stand up, as if we are already part of a team, and then we are running it more like a technology company. Your business projects will be in the backlog. We will build every system that you request live, and we'll share it with everybody. That's the whole idea, right? Of course, there will be some privacy, there will be some HIPAA compliances, all of that we will consider. But the idea is, if I'm your technology partner, let's put all our requests on the Zero Board, and as a community, if I build a system, you shouldn't have to rebuild it, right? That's the democratization part of AI. Let's do that. Let's build these AI systems together and join the community. Join your seventh power. Join gps.com. It's completely free, and it's where all the live calls every day, 12 p.m. EST. We hop on a call, and it's a daily stand up, right? We build the systems and we share it with everyone so everyone can rise together. The big picture is, if you still need help done with for you, that's when we can hop on a private call and then we can implement these systems together. But more importantly, any AI system that's out there, my job is to geek out on it, bring it to you so you can implement it in your business. It doesn't have to be redeveloped or redeployed. And the idea behind the courses, the books, the coaching is, if you think about it, any business is delivered in three ways. One is DIY style, do it yourself, where the courses, the books, and everything come into play. These are the low ticket for the coach. But for you as a business owner, as an implementer, you're already busy. You're already dragged down, bogged down by different aspects of your business. Now, you cannot possibly learn a new skill and also implement it. It takes time, right? We don't talk about it when we are buying all these courses. Now, the courses are not being self-help, they are being shelf-help, right? So that DIY style, we don't believe in that. Done with you, yes, it is beneficial for all the coaches as well because it's a coaching program. I believe in coaching. I continue to invest in a lot of coaching every single day, every single month. I have a specific budget for it, and I often spend more than way over than the budget. And my wife doesn't know about it, right? So confession. So done for you is more like the agencies. Everyone promises the moon, but then the thing is, you don't know what systems they're using. You don't know what skills they're bringing to the table. But more importantly, it's done for you. The results are not guaranteed. The systems are built. Yeah, it's after 3 months, you quickly realize that the agencies are not delivering on the promises, and you got to quickly fire them. So done for you. Again, that's expensive. Done with you may have been a decent success if you are an implementer, if you are just talking to one or two or maybe three coaches, finding the right process map and then implementing the system yourself, yes, you would have had a lot of success. But done with you is also for someone like me who's geeking out on a lot of stuff. You often get confused. You often get overwhelmed. So what we have done is we have created a community, Join GPS. We are 100 members, close to 100 members right now. The idea is any AI system that we are going to implement, it should not have to be re-implemented by anyone from our community. We are democratizing the implementation of AI. So we are calling it done with you for you. The idea is every day, 12 p.m. EST, we are doing it more like a technology daily stand-up, right? We do a stand-up meeting, we go live, we build the systems, we share it with the community, and then you implement it right away. And then those systems will change, right? Every 3 months, AI is getting bigger and better. Now we are going to re-up the systems every now and then we are going to share it with the community. The idea is once I build it, the community shouldn't have to rebuild it. That's the whole idea. And join the community, joingps.com. That's where you'll find your superpowered seventh level success. Now, all the systems, if you have a gap, you have a business, you will always have a gap, right? There's no question about it. Now, let's define the gap properly. Let's define the process map, how you want to fulfill that gap, and then let's systemize it. That's the true business value that you have. Your kids, they're not interested in, if you know a baby boomer, they're not interested in your business. Many of them, the reason for that is it's not systemized, it's not sexy enough for them, right? But if you give them a system, not another property, not another real estate, but if you can give them a system that runs bunch of businesses, just imagine the level of impact that you can have in the next generations. I'm not talking about legacy. I'm not talking about anything else. That's deep stuff. I cannot go into all that. But more importantly, think of your business as an operating system that you're giving away for people for free, right? Hey, I see few live. If you can say where you're joining from, that will be awesome. I'm here joining you from Atlanta. My commitment to you is we are going to go live every day, 12 p.m. EST, more like a technology partner, right? Daily stand up where join the community, joingps.com. It's a school community where you can drop your questions. It will be logged in the backlog. I will pick up based on the voting, right? Every day we'll try to deploy one system at least, be it AI web app, be it an agent, be it an automation. We have built hundreds without exaggerating, right? You have access to everything. But one thing I need promise from you is don't try to implement everything. Figure out the gap in your business, right? Create a process map and deploy this one system that will help you, right? Our mission together, collective mission, is to help 10,000 businesses AI-fi in the next couple of years, right? I need your help. Join the community. It's completely free. All the systems that we are building it live more often than not. And it's 12 p.m. EST. So join the community, join the mission. I'll build your system for free. If you still need further help, we can definitely talk about it. But the idea is together, let's impact 10,000 businesses in the next couple of years. All right, let's AI-fi at least 10,000 businesses. I'll see you on the inside. Join gps.com and at 12 p.m. EST every day, we are going to go live, build the AI systems together, and then that's how we can grow together. All right, I'll see you on the inside. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your time and attention. I'm still trying to figure out the best value, the best way I can bring value to you. But thank you for your attention and time. Appreciate all the comments. See ya. Bye.